Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to copy the link of your Roblox profile. Firstly, open up your browser and in the search panel of your browser, go and type Roblox. Then click on the Google search button. After that, head to the Roblox website. From here, make sure that you're logged in with your ID, and if you're logged in, click on this profile button. So now you are in your profile, and you can find your profile link up in the top hand side of your browser. So just left click on it, then click on copy. So now you just copied the link of your profile and you can use it anywhere. So this is how you can find the link of your profile in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.